Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix touch screen not responding on your HMD Arc. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and remove your screen protector or case because it can cause a lot of interference, and let me explain why. First, if you have a screen protector applied, if it's not applied perfectly on the screen, but it's, let's say, going off to the sides of the phone or to the edges, then if it's going and let's say it's stuck to the side of the phone, it's not covering the left part, if it's going to stick out the right side, if it's not covering it, this can happen and you will not be able to use your phone. And that's what we're trying to fix, of course. So remove the screen protector if that's what's happening. And now for the case, we have a case. If it's going over the bezels, which is the dark part between the screen and the side of the phone, mostly you can see it here or at the top. If your case is going over them and it's touching the screen, then you already got your answer, and removing it is the fix. Now, after removing the case and a screen protector, what are we gonna do is we're gonna clean our screen with a microfiber cloth. So you can get a microfiber cloth everywhere. It's probably even at your house, so you shouldn't be worried about that. Now I have it right here, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fold it even more, and once it is folded like this, I'm gonna clean the screen. So 3 swipes is definitely enough for a screen like this. It is clean. And what are we gonna do next is we're gonna restart the phone to refresh the system. So first hold the power button. Now keep on holding it until the screen goes black, so it totally turns off. It should take around 10 seconds, 10 to 15 seconds. So keep on holding it. It just went off, and after you hold it, after you get a vibration, you can let go, and the phone now is turning back on. After the forced restart, what are we gonna do is, as a last resort, we're gonna update our software. So let's open up the settings. Here in the settings, what we need to do is we need to scroll a little bit down until we see the system. After that, we're gonna tap on the system update, and here it will tell us if we are on the latest version. So it says your system is up to date, but we can double check that. And as you guys can see, my system is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you updating. This is very important. So that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.